Let's watch movie tonight. Yeah right, I'll amazing to watch movie. So here we go. But now I don't want to watch any movie. Let's gossip about India's states, okay? Okay sure. But first of all, let's go outside. Okay. Wow, what a view. Right. Let's talk about India's states, come here and sit with me. Yeah. Have you ever thought about how diverse India is with its states? Absolutely. It's incredible how each state has its own unique culture, language, and traditions. Exactly. Take Kerala, for example. It's known for its backwaters, spicy cuisine, and vibrant festivals like Onam. And don't forget about Goa. It's like a whole different world with its beautiful beaches, Portuguese architecture, and lively nightlife. True. And then there's Rajasthan with its majestic palaces, desert landscapes, and colorful attire. Oh, and how can we overlook the beauty of Himachal Pradesh? The snow-capped mountains, lush valleys, and serene hill stations are simply breathtaking. And let's not forget about the bustling cities like Mumbai in Maharashtra, Kolkata in West Bengal, and Bangalore in Karnataka. Each state has its own economic significance too. Gujarat is known for its thriving industries, especially in sectors like textiles and petroleum. Absolutely. And Punjab is renowned for its agriculture, particularly for producing a significant portion of India's food grains. And we can't overlook the cultural heritage of states like Uttar Pradesh, which is home to iconic monuments like the Taj Mahal and vibrant festivals like Kumbh Mela. Speaking of festivals, Punjab celebrates Baisakhi with great enthusiasm, while Tamil Nadu is known for its grand celebrations of Pongal. It's fascinating how each state celebrates its own set of festivals, reflecting its unique cultural identity. And let's not forget about the rich history of states like Madhya Pradesh, which is dotted with ancient archaeological sites like Samchi Stupa. Absolutely. And Rajasthan's forts and palaces narrate tales of valor and royalty from centuries ago. And then there's the natural beauty of states like Assam with its tea gardens, Meghalaya with its living root bridges, and Jammu and Kashmir with its pristine lakes and valleys. It's incredible how India's states offer such a diverse range of landscapes and experiences, from the lush greenery of Kerala to the stark beauty of Ladakh. And let's not forget about the linguistic diversity. With over 20 officially recognized languages, each state has its own linguistic identity. Absolutely. From Hindi in Uttar Pradesh to Bengali in West Bengal, from Tamil in Tamil Nadu to Marathi in Maharashtra, the linguistic diversity is astounding. And the cuisine. Each state offers a tantalizing array of dishes, from the spicy curries of Andhra Pradesh to the savory doklas of Gujarat. I could go on and on about the culinary delights of India's states. The biryanis of Hyderabad, the dosas of Karnataka, the chats of Delhi, the list is endless. It's remarkable how India's states not only preserve their own cultural heritage, but also contribute to the country's rich tapestry of diversity. Absolutely. And this diversity is what makes traveling across India such a rewarding experience. You can experience a different culture, language, and cuisine with every state you visit. Definitely. Whether it's exploring the historical monuments of Delhi, trekking in the Himalayas of Uttarakhand, or lounging on the beaches of Kerala, there's something for everyone in India's states. And let's not forget about the warmth and hospitality of the people. No matter which state you visit, you're sure to be greeted with open arms and a friendly smile. Absolutely. The people of India truly make it a welcoming and inclusive destination for travelers from all around the world. So, whether you're interested in history, culture, cuisine, or simply seeking adventure, India's states have it all. Couldn't agree more. India's states are like jewels in a crown, each one shining brightly with its own unique brilliance. Well said. India's diversity is its strength, and it's something to be celebrated and cherished for generations to come. By the way, now we need to go back. Yes. We have to go home, we have spent enough time here. I'm going to sleep because I think we both have tired very much. Good night. I'm going to my bed now. Okay. Good night.